I realized that the riding was an expensive sport, and as Indians, not many people could afford it. So I thought, why not I make it affordable for Indians to learn riding and compete in an international arena. So 3 years back, we produced our first sport horse, which is actually history. It's India's first sporting horse.
The Embassy International Riding School is a great facility. It's been instrumental in helping me win this Asian Games silver medal. We have unbelievable facilities here, international standard surface, second to none. It's the only facility in India that provides the riders and horses with this kind of surface.